gonna show you a bit of drum programming. Now that bit of messed up. Here, I've spilled some peanut butter, so it's pretty peanut buttery. So I'm gonna go through some journey of BPMs from 78 to 300 and up. See what happens when he speeds things up, and talk a bit about the generalization about genres. And we don't like it because it's all the same thing. It's only sped up or slowed down. So let's go for it. After Effects, lots of flames, glitter, and me sinking. All right, so right now I'm in 78 BPM. So I'll just start from there and we'll just turn it up. Turn it up. So this is a classic kind of slow. Where everything's a bit kind of syncopated. Hi-hat's pretty steady, 16. Can turn that down to 8. Sound a bit trappy already. But classic hip-hop is mostly around 96 BPM. And usually the way I like it is really boom bap 90s, and actually a bit sloppy. Yeah, that's the way I like it. It's clap, where you at? Clap, there you are. And we can go up even further, give more clubby. Now we're turning into more breakbeat style drumming, where the snare has more rolls. Which also is kind of what drum and bass is also based on, kind of Motown breaks, sped up Motown breaks. Yeah, it's working its way. Turn up the hi-hats a bit. Do some more layering. Does it get the groove? And also that you can do more industrial style, which is more turning into house when we turn it up to 120, more like deep house stuff, where you add more percussion to your groove. Bass, baby. Be careful with the bass. Can turn the hardest man to the weakest. I was looking for that shake. I found it. Oh, this is really loud. Yeah, more. We can do more swingy stuff to get more steppy. I've dropped a couple of genres already. Do the swing on these ones as well. This baby. Like we can turn this deep house groove into a two-step. Okay. Turn it. Go, baby. Ooh. reggaeton suddenly. And then when we go up to 128, it's suddenly a different ball game. And if we add some effects on this, it sounds much better. There we go. There we go. And this is kind of the groove I grew up with. It's pretty simple. Clap, where are you at? There we go. Trance, old school. Well, that's more 140. Break beats or halftime, or it could be anything actually. Dubstep if you want. I like that hi-hat better. And then you can use some other drum kits for that as well. Some more heavy type. That sounds amazing. That's a hi-hat. Snare. There we go. Kick. Yeah, that sounds cool. Yeah, and then turn it up a bit more. We go into more like drum step. And then even I like this groove too. Drum and bass. Just around the corner. Where it's all about actually where the snare is at, because that's what you're always hooked on the snare, so even that works, you know. As long as the snare is on a steady groove and you got some other stuff happening on the bass. The most classic one I like is this one with the little twirl. That almond break style. Open hi-hats. Halftime. And then I guess we go back into full circle. Full on hi-hat, please. Now we need double as long. More metal style, rock and roll. What's happening? That's happening. Oh shit, that's heavy. I don't do this stuff enough on my own. I always need somebody else in the room to fucking push me to fucking do, like, just sit there and do all the heavy, dirty duty. This is hip hop again. Now we are all up in 188, 990 BPM. So what we started with was like 78 or something, which is like, so it all goes full circle when you just halftime there. You can even halftime this as well. That. That's 43 BPMs. Just doesn't sound like it. Have you ever heard anybody do music this fast?
Yeah, this guy, Savant, he's...
But extreme drum and bass, like, this is like 340 BPM. It's crazy. Oh, actually, halftime 340 BPMs. This is full time.
It's almost like thrash metal, though.
Yeah. Oh, black metal. We forgot those things. I have to track quickly through that. Okay, black metal or heavy metal or anything like that. For those who don't know, there's a lot about drums actually and double bass, like that. Okay. I'm a big metal head because I used to play in that kind of shit before I started with electronic music. Okay, so it's all about aggressiveness, rhythm. Okay. Oh, machine. And also a bit more rhythmical, or sorry. Oh. And thrash metal, which is also pretty close to kind of Irish kind of drinking music. But only if we turn it into kind of 6/4 maybe. Oh. Yeah. And also that's more hard style also too. Or if we do this. Is there we go. Oh, that was aggressive. Doesn't really sound like hard style at all when you do it inside there. Kick. There we go. That's actually a proper 909 here. Pretty cool. And then we have to put some claps on every hit here. Some distortion would be nice. Where's that at? There we go. Pretty heavy. And actually, you could do breaks with this, but nobody does. Oh, cool as hell. Wait a second.
Talking of breaks.
No, what's it called? Whirlwind distortion?
Yeah.